Let's continue. New topic is emulsions. Emulsions are the colloidal solutions in which both the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium are liquids. A good example of an emulsion is milk, in which fat globules are dispersed in water. The size of the emulsified globules is generally of the order of 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Emulsion resemble lyophobic soils in some properties. Types of emulsion. Depending upon the nature of the dispersed phase, the emulsions are classified as phase. The emulsions are classified as first, oil in water emulsions. The emulsions in which oil is present as the dispersed phase and water as the dispersion medium is called oil in water emulsion. Milk is an example of oil in water type emulsion. In milk liquid, fat globules are dispersed in water. Other examples are vanishing cream, etc. Now, second, water in oil emulsion. The emulsion in which water forms the dispersed phase and the oil acts as dispersion medium is called a water in an oil emulsion. These emulsions are also termed as oil emulsions. Butter and cold cream are typical examples of this type of emulsion. Other examples are cod liver oil, etc. Now, preparation of emulsions. Emulsions are generally prepared by vigorously agitating a mixture of the relevant oil and water by using either a high speed mixture or by using ultrasonic vibrators. The emulsions obtained by a simple mechanical stirring are unstable. The two components, oil and water, tend to separate out. To obtain a stable emulsion, a suitable stabilizing substance is generally added. The stabilizing substance is called emulsifier or emulsifying agent. The emulsifier is added along with the oil and water in the beginning. For example, substances which can act as emulsifiers are soaps, detergents, long chain sulfonic acid, lyophilic colloids like gelatin and albumin. Now, new topic, nature of emulsifier. Different emulsifiers may act differently in the case of a particular emulsion. For example, sodium oleate is used to prepare oil in water emulsions. Magnesium and calcium oleates are used to prepare water in oil emulsions. When calcium oleate is added to an emulsion stabilized by sodium oleate. At a certain ratio of sodium ion and calcium ion, the oil in water emulsion becomes unstable. If the calcium ions concentration is increased further very quickly, then the reversal of the emulsion type occurs, that is, the oil in water emulsion gets converted into water in oil type. Now, identification of emulsions. Several methods are available to find out whether an emulsion is of the oil in water type or of the water in oil type emulsions. An emulsion can be identified as dilution test, by dye test, by conductivity test. Now, properties of emulsion. Emulsions show all the characteristic properties of colloidal solution such as Brownian moment, Tyndall effect, and electrophoresis etc. These are coagulated by the addition of electrolytes containing polyvalent metal ions indicating the negative charge on the globules. The size of the dispersed particles in emulsions is larger than those in the source. It ranges from 1000 angstrom to 10,000 angstrom. However, the size is smaller than the particles in suspensions. Emulsion can be converted into two separate liquids by heating, by centrifuging, and by freezing etc. This process is also known as demulsification. Now, applications of emulsions. Concentration of ores in metallurgy, in medicine, in cleansing action of soaps, in milk, which is an important constituent of our diet, and emulsion of fat in water, and digestion of fats in intestine into emulsification.